Okay, next is systematic sample, and this is when you go through a population sequentially and select members at regular intervals, okay? So there's 2 steps to this. First, the person that you start with has to be completely random. So this is kind of like a random sample, okay? So choose a starting person. And then survey every X person, okay? So for example, every third person, every third person, every third person. But it's so important to choose the first person at random because, for example, if you chose every third or fifth or 10th person, those first couple people are never ever going to get chosen. Okay, so choose a survey every 6th person. And the sample size and the population size determine the sampling interval. So here's a formula, okay? Interval equals population size divided by sample size. Okay, so your interval, for example, if you have 100 people and you want to sample 20 of them, you would go 100 divided by 20. You are going to sample every 5th person. So in that case, step 1, choose a random person. Step 2, survey every 5th person. Okay. Example, you use this when you have a list of people such as like a phone book or a list of students in a classroom or a list of employees. Okay, when you have a list and you can quickly go through like every 3rd or every 5th person, for example. Okay, so let's actually design a systematic sample. So a telephone company has 500,000 customers and it wants to sample 250 of them. Okay, so we know in order to find the interval, we just divide those. Okay, so take 500,000 divided by 250, I get 2,000. Okay, so step 1, choose a random this is customer. Seeing if it's customer employee. This one's customer. So choose a random customer, survey every 2,000 customer following that person. Okay, and then for this question, sometimes when you see these questions, they'll ask you like real life situations. So what expense is most likely to limit the sample size? Well, this is surveying 250 customers, okay? It might be limited if people hang up the phone. So hang-ups or did not answer. Okay, maybe you'll run out of time. Like you can't really call people past 9 o'clock. It's inappropriate, right? So maybe limiting the time. Or maybe you don't have enough employees to call these people. Okay, just a couple different things to think about.